Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Sienna engine air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new engine air filter and possibly a screwdriver, depending on your specific model. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Now, locate the air filter housing, which is typically a large black box near the front of the engine compartment. With the housing located, you'll need to open it. Most Toyota Sienna models use clips, but some might have screws. Unclip or unscrew all the fasteners around the perimeter of the housing cover. Once all fasteners are released, gently lift the cover. This will expose the old, dirty engine air filter. Take a moment to note how the old filter is seated, as the new one will go in the same way. Now it's time for the replacement. Gently pull out the old air filter. You'll likely see it's quite dirty, full of dust and leaves. Before installing the new one, take a clean cloth and wipe out any debris or dirt from inside the air filter housing. This ensures a clean environment for your new filter. Then, carefully place the new engine air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and matches the orientation you observed earlier. Finally, reassemble the housing. Carefully lower the cover back into place, ensuring all clips or screws align properly. Securely fasten all the clips or screws you removed earlier. Double-check that the housing is completely sealed to prevent unfiltered air from entering your engine. Changing your air filter regularly, typically every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, improves fuel efficiency and engine performance. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.